Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reading Beep Beep Choo Choo. Let's start. It's playtime. Rocket and Monkey are playing with the train. Choo choo, says Rocket. I like trains. Twig is playing with the teddy. Can the teddy ride in the train? He asks. Great idea, climb in, says Rocket. Choo choo! Star is playing with the car. Melody is playing with the doll. Can the doll ride in the car? Asks Melody. Climb in, says Star. Beep beep. Beep beep, says Star. Choo choo, says Rocket. Watch out, calls Twig. Watch out, calls Melody. But the train crashes into the table. Oh no, a wheel's broken, says Rocket. What can we do? He asks. Let's look for a new wheel, says Star. So the children look for a new wheel. Twig finds a blue ball. What about this ball? He asks. No, it's too big, says Star. I know, says Star. What about my yo-yo? But is it too small? Asks Rocket. Let's see, says Star. Great, it fits. Thank you, Star, says Rocket. Now let's play again, says Star. And off they go again. Beep, beep, choo, choo. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, stars.